based on the specific customer need, you can make some modification, and you can see that modification reflect on the engineering analysis and ensure that the new performance targets are met. So that is a very good example for MODSIM. MODSIM means performance-driven product design. A product has a function to perform, and it's impacted by multiple disciplines. And evolution of the product design from concept to verification stage will be driven by an engineering analysis. If you consider the current vehicle development process, it's highly compressed, and lean teams are supporting multiple vehicle programs. And the traditional process will not work because build and break will not work, and they have to be right at the first time. The only process that will work is connecting modeling and simulation in a seamless way. Silos mean different stakeholders work in an insulated, compartmentalized manner. So what they do is, for their own product, they will work in their own discipline and share minimal information. For example, if you take electric drive, the performance of electric drive is primarily governed by electromagnetics, but it also can be impacted by thermal effects, noise and vibration, and structures. So they will have an optimal design for their discipline, and each for the other discipline also will have their own optimal designs. But when you put everything together, then you will not have an optimal performance for the entire drive. If you share information in a seamless way, you'll find a sweet spot. So all these disciplines will work harmoniously to achieve the global optimum. MODSIM is the right process for developing electric vehicles, or any vehicles. The reason being, it's a connected process. So we face a compressed vehicle development cycle, lean teams, scarcity of supplies. So we don't have time or resources to waste. So with a connected process, we will be able to accomplish a lot with little. They can also leverage MODSIM from early concept stage to the final stage. So they can, at every stage of the development, they can ensure that all the engineering targets are met. I would say sustainability and responsible use of human resources and material, and that is something key because it also is going to impact electric vehicle adoption. The whole world is trying to adapt electric vehicles and reduce pollution. So one of the key inhibitors for that is the price of the vehicle. So if you adapt MODSIM, it's going to reduce the product cost. So you're going to have a low price vehicle to everybody. So we'll have less pollution. So that's another thing we will realize by adopting MODSIM.